Hey guys, MoneyMarrowTech, back in our tech review. Today we're going to be diving into something special for all of us. You always need it on the go and stuff while you're traveling, reliable for work, where you need that last juice, or if you're stuck out and about and you need to charge your laptop up or your switch up, I got you covered. Today we're going to go over Sharge. They've been out for a couple months now. We're going to go through the specs. So all the items right here in front of us, I got some ranging from 5,000 milliamps all the way down to 20,000 milliamps. I got some that offer MagSafe. I got some that offering 140 watt charge. I got some that has pass-through charge, and we're gonna go through all the specs and we're gonna test them out and we're gonna see which one's good. I'm also gonna let you know about the price. Some of these are ranging from $20 all the way up to $150, but some of them are on sale right now on Amazon. So of course I will let you know which one's on sale, and I'll also leave a link down below for all of them down here. All these are bought by me. So you guys don't have to go out and spend your hard-earned money. Let me do it for you. That's why I call it MoneyMarrowTech. Let me drop that dough so I can give you the tech you need. All right, so let's go ahead and start the review and stay tuned. Guys, first thing we're gonna go over is this little guy right here. This is the Sharge Flow Mini, offered up to 5,000 milliamp portable charger. Okay, so this have a dual way. Yeah, you have two ways to charge it. You got a little small port and have a handle charging cable as well. Also, it comes with a different accessories, so you can charge older iPhones, such as like iPhone 14 and below. All right, so here's your manual. Cool. Here's the box. Cool. Here's the item, and then here's your adapter I was telling you about. Talk about that here in a minute. Put this to the side. Here's the charger. Here's this wrapper, and boom, here it is. Sharge Flow Mini 5,000 milliamp portable charger. Okay, so we got your built-in Type-C cord, also double as a handle, so you can put on your bag with a D-ring or whatever, clip or whatever it may be. Right here you have another Type-C, but here also double as a secondary. So what we do is right here on this side is Type-C, but this right here is a lightning cord. So if you still have an iPhone 14 or below and you need a battery pack, what you do is come right here, move it back, push up, push it up. Right here is accessible right there. As you see, take this side, plug it in. So now you have a Type-C and a lightning cord again, lightning charger. So real quick, test it out. You got an iPhone 13, and it's charged. Okay, turn this around. Sorry. There's a light indicator. Right now it's at 3 lights. Where you can see in the camera, but it's at 3 lights and stuff. But it's charging. Okay, and then if I want to take this out, like so, put in the Type-C back in here, which is more common nowadays for an Android phone or iPhone 15 or newer, and charge. Okay, so then this side here also offers charging as well. So real quick, bring it in Type-C, plug in. So if you wanted to, you can charge 2 items up. You have one that have a Type-C, and then one that offer lighting. And now you charge on 2 devices at one time. Next, you have your Ice Mag by Sharge. All right, this is a MagSafe charger. Also do it as a plug-in charger as well. So open the box. Got your charger right here, manual right here, and then you have a Type-C cord right here. We get it out. A little small little cable. Let's not worry about that. Let's go ahead and move on. Here, this is what we're here for right here. This is your Ice Mag. Stay cool on the move. So down here, this is off real quick. It's transparent. Okay, yeah, but here's a fan. All right, so right here it shows output watts of max of 20 watts, airline safety, wireless charging. Okay, so down here, like I said, you got your little fan. Down here, you got your Type-C input in out. You got your button. Tell you right here, output of 20 max, which would probably be the plug-in. This will offer up to 7.5 watts of wireless charging. Okay, 10,000 milliamps. All right, so if you have an iPhone laying around, like so, put it on. Start charging. Try that again. And then when charging, back here, it's a little fan, which is pretty cool. So it's keeping this battery pack cool and showing off lights as well. Obviously, you have a bigger phone, iPhone and stuff, it'd be, you know, not as much sticking off, but this is an iPhone mini. And this is, you know, pretty cool, you know, the little built-in LED lights and stuff. Right here shows your indicator of your battery life. So right now we have 4 bars. I don't know if you can see that in the camera or not. There it goes. You got 4 bars right there. I said Type-C. So if you didn't want to use the MagSafe, like so, you can use a cable. So real quick, here's a cable right here. Type-C to Type-C. And the fan function only works when it's on MagSafe. So it's pretty cool to have that for the back of your iPhone, but if you don't have an iPhone and stuff, you can. Or if you have an Android phone and you bought yourself a MagSafe case that offer that, you can do that as well. So here it is right here, boom. Throw it on real quick. Start charging. Oh, sorry. Start charging in the back, as you see, charging. Now the fan back on as well. So pretty cool, like that item, like this spec. We have our Sharge Flow battery bank. Okay, this one here is ranging from $29 as well. Got for Amazon, I'll leave a link down below. This one offer up to 10,000 milliamp mini power bank, up to 20 watts, Type-C charging fast, dual output portable charger, compatible with iPhone, Android, tablets, you name it as well. 20 watts, 10,000 milliamps. Credit card size, and have a lightsaber powder meter. So check it out. This one also comes in 3 different colors. It comes in white, purple, and green. There it is. Got a cable right here as well. There's a Type-C cable right there. Put that back in there. Got a manual on the bottom of the box. Put that to the side, and here it is. Okay, on top right here, you can see a little bit of the little items in here. The little through. You can see how they use the materials inside of here as well. Pretty cool. On this side, you have your Type-C. This side is your Type-A. There's a button, and this right here is they calling this the lightsaber meter power monitor. So this shows your percentage of your battery. So, you know, if I had to take a guess, maybe about 60-70% charge. So real quick, we're gonna plug it up real quick. So let's get a Type-C to Type-C. There we go, Type-C to Type-C. And before we plug it something, show you how it works. When you charge it up, when it start charging up, it's gonna start displaying the meter, the lightsaber going up, show a charge. So right now it's going back and forth, probably like 25% to 50%. So it's not probably about 50% right now charging. You know, it shows right up here earlier like 70, but maybe who knows? That's an educated guess. But you know, it's charging up right now. And then the cool thing about this is, if your charging is up and you want to charge up another device at the same time, get a Type-A charger, like so, and you plug up something else, so you can charge it up at the same time as your battery pack getting charged up. So if you want to keep this charging, you know, if you don't want to give up a port to charge up, plug this up and plug another port in, so you can keep this charger going, and then you charge up your phone as well, or whatever other accessory you have, whether that's your headphones, action camera, a controller, you name it, just wherever you have laying around you want to charge up. So you want to sacrifice a port. If you're on the go and stuff, then you can do a pass-through charge where you charge up your device and just going through your device to that, but still charging it up at the same time. So pretty cool to have. Let's go ahead and disconnect it. We'll plug up something else real quick, something very useful, like, you know, action camera. So go ahead and plug it up real quick. Phone still charging, and right here it's blinking for the Action 4 camera, blinking, so it's charging up and stuff. So you can see here in the front as well, it's blinking, so it means charging as well. So that's pretty cool to have. Like I said, it came in 3 different colors: green, purple, and white. And only $20. I think I got off of Amazon for like $25. They had like a little coupon going on there, but not bad at all. This is the Flow Power. Let's keep it going. All right, guys. Last but not least, we have the monster itself. We have the 140 watt power bank SHARGEEK. Okay, this is the biggest one they have in our lineup. So I got the white one right here. This one here feature up to 140 watts, like I mentioned. It's a 20,000 milliamp power bank. Okay, they come in 2 colors, come in white and black. Price on this is about $100 off of Amazon. Like always, I'll leave it down below as well. Real quick before we get into that, check the box, see anything else has come with it. Come with a carrying case, the manual, Type-C cord. All right, put stuff to the side. And here it is. So first thing I noticed about this is how cool this is, how the see-through case, the transparency. You can see all the components in here. That's pretty cool. Right here is your LCD display. On this side, you can see that perfectly. You have your Type A, Type C, and have a line going down to it. So for your Type A, that's a max of 40 watts. For your Type A, for output, is a max of 100 watts, and going into it is 65 watts. Down here is your button. Just more stuff about the battery, back, and then the logo inside. And real quick, let's power it on, see how the display looks. Turn this way. So right now, it's showing zeroed out, nothing going in, nothing going out, charge of 100%. So real quick, we'll test it out. Let's grab something power hungry. So let's grab my Samsung book real quick. Grab me a cable, go ahead and plug up to the laptop and see how much. Let's see if it's get up to 60 watts. All right, sorry, this way. So right now it's calibrating, it's calculating right now. So right now it says pushing out 98 watts. Okay, not bad. So pretty cool. We'll plug up something smaller, not as power hungry, like the S24 Ultra. Okay. Offering super fast charge 2.0, and right now we are at 2 hours and 40 minutes. We're pushing out 21 watts. Okay, not bad. And real quick, let's plug up something else. Here we go. We got our Action 4 camera. I'll go ahead and plug up this to this USB cord to a Type A cord. USB port, and plug it up to charge. With our blinking green, is charging. All right, charging. Now let's go back to here, see how much watts is taken out of it. So we're still around 25 watts, 97%, 2 hours and 17 minutes till it fully dies. So not bad at all, but as you guys seen already, we did plug it up to the laptop. It got a full max charge of 99%. So it definitely get the power up there as needed. As you've seen, I'm going to disconnect one of them. Running at 17 watts. And just for curiosity, I'm gonna plug this back up to the laptop, and I'm gonna plug up something smaller and see if it maxes out fully. So there we go. We're gonna plug it back up to the laptop, and then we're gonna plug up the action 4 camera again. So you see right now it's already pushing out 99, 98, and let's see if we get it maxed out with the action camera pushed to it. And the action camera is blinking, and now we're at a total of 105 watts. Remember, it is 140 watts, but it's only 100 watts going through the type C and 40 watts going through the type A. So even though it's a 140 watt charger, it only going to give you 100 watts through the type C and 40 watts from the type A. All right, guys, so we'll talk about the key features. Like I said, these are really very friendly for, you know, traveling and stuff. None of these are super heavy and stuff. I like the small factor we have here. This one, like I said, small, compact, throw in your pocket. This one's still small, compact, throw in your pocket as well. But you got the MagSafe one, pretty cool. Like I say, you can use it either for MagSafe or use it for a regular charger. Double cool. The price for this one is pretty high. I would probably say no to this one because the price is too high, and it's only offering up to 20 watts output. So for the price of that, I would say no to this one, because overall, for 50 bucks, you can probably get better. You know, a better portable charger slash MagSafe charger bank. For $20, this is not bad. This one have good comparison out there with the Anchor one out there I've seen before. For $20, this is a good buy. This is pretty, you know, small, compact, you know, very, you know, not gonna be using it all the time, but you know, for that quick upper, you know, charge for 20 watts is not bad. You know, give about another, you know, hour, you know, good, another full charge out of your phone one time probably. So that's could have 20 bucks for $30 for 10,000 milliamps. Not bad. Small, compact still. You can charge it up. I like the fact that you can plug it in and keep charging up at the same time, which other items as well. I'm pretty sure a lot of these, pretty sure this one does it too. Didn't test it out, but you know, go ahead and leave a comment down below if you have before. If you plug it up, you know, a type C and plug a type A going out, see if it charges up at the same time while it's going through. I'm pretty sure it does. And we get a chance to do that today, but I like that form factor right there. We're talking about that one, and this right here for $100 for 140 watts. Yeah, I can see it being useful. You know, on the go, 140 watts, 20,000 milliamps. I have seen other ones in the same ballpark for the same price for 100 watts fast charge. I have seen some other ones too. I actually got a couple in my video. You probably seen before, but I got one in my couple videos. I got a couple of one in my video profile. I'm gonna go through it that I pay a little bit less. They're offering a bigger punch, but you know, for show and giggle and stuff, this is not bad. It's not bad. I like the fact they have a display and stuff. I like how it shows your input, your outputs and stuff as well. That's pretty high spec. And then this transparency of the top of here, the casing and the housing is pretty nice to have. So I'll say yes to this one as well. It's not bad. Guys, I will leave the link down below. Hopefully my video help you guys out with a choice on these products. If you want to pick them up, I will leave a link down below. Everything here I bought myself on Amazon, so you don't do it yourself. So you don't spend your money. Let me spend my money so I get in trouble with my wife. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you like these items. If you pick one up, I'd like one know. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.